Today we're learning how to braid. Braids are so much fun. They give you hundreds of different variations of different hairstyles to create. With 3 sections of hair, and one by one you cross the outside section over the middle one. A braid is different to a plait because each time you cross an outside section over the middle piece, you add hair to it. So here I've just added some hair to my outside section and I cross it over the middle piece. Then I'll grab the piece on the other side and add to it, and then I'll cross it over the middle piece. Now the trickiest part is maintaining a firm grip on all 3 sections of hair as you go. But the more you braid, the better you'll get at it. It's literally continuing the same pattern over and over. So adding to the section, like I'm going to do here, taking that section and crossing it over the middle piece, and then repeating exactly the same thing side to side until all the hair you want in the braid is done. Once all the hair that you want in the braid is already included, you can continue to just plait the hair and tie it off, or you can tie it off where it is. Here's another variation of a braided hairstyle. This hairstyle is going to have 2 braids down either side of my head. The difference with this braid is I'm braiding under, which will show the effect of having the plait on top of my head. So what I'm doing is the same thing, but I'm plaiting each outside section under. So adding to the outside section and crossing it under the middle one. Here I've got a little bit of a bump, so I'm just using my fingers to smooth that down before I twist my outside section under my middle section. Adding to my outside section and twisting it under the middle section. My best piece of advice would be to maintain tension on each section of hair as you go. When it comes to braiding, there really are no rules. You can choose what section of hair you're going to braid, and you can choose whether you're going to braid your sections over or under. For this hairstyle, I've braided under, and I'm not tying off the ends, I'm just using the little Scunci jaw clips to secure my style. Here's another favourite braided hairstyle. I'm taking a far side part and securing most of my hair away around the other side of my neck so it doesn't get mixed up in my braid. For this hairstyle, I've also decided to braid each section under so it gives the effect of the little braid sitting on the side of my head. Once all the hair in that section that I want braided is done, I'll plait right down to the ends and secure it with a little clear poly band. And then I'm going to take a Scunci bobby pin and pin it underneath the rest of my hair so the band is invisible. For this final hairstyle, I'm including all of my hair in the braid. I'm also plaiting each section under to give me the effect of the braid sitting on the back of my head. I'm going to secure the braid into a low messy bun with a Scunci black velvet scrunchie. I'm going to gently pull on each section of the braid to give it loads of soft volume so you can see it sitting pretty on my head.